All right, last video of the night. Pretty exhausted. Trying to pump out these videos. It is Wednesday, February 3rd. Start off with IPDN. IPDN, everybody. 5 million float, low float, 35 million market cap. No news recently. Operates online professional network communities with career sources, United States. Then let's take a look. Excuse me, Belgium. All right, 350 to start out in July. I guess this IPO'd. This looks like a cup and handle too. Is every stock looking like a cup and handle lately or a falling wedge? I think most of the stock patterns right now are cup and handles, falling wedges. You know, your triangles, your ascending triangle. Stock market's moving up. You're getting dips. So here it is, the move down. 1, 2. This would be 3, 4 in the pullback, and then we explode. Not perfectly, but so you can see the base here. This one up. Look at that massive candle, 550. And then it held pretty good. Look at this. And then it faded here, a little fade. They tricked you in on the, they tricked the longs and they brought it right up. So you're looking right here for us to break it right over 275. This line right here is important. See this, 275, 275. So you see this break up? And then it couldn't get over though, so it pulls back. It's got to break 275 here, and I think we're going to do it. And you know, once we get above that, there's nothing here. 3, look for this 350 line. There's nothing really above here. Yeah, the way stocks are moving, everything's pushing upwards. That's the sign you see too in the overall market. Until we get a market going down, these won't work probably as well. So watch for 350. And right now, I'd say that the 2's your stop. Right here's a pretty good stop here, that 2 line. You can draw it a few ways here. You see that, like a triangle. You can draw it here, like a channel. So watch that on IPDN. No news really recently. It's a low float though, so anything that would pop this, man, pop it very, very far. All right, let's get a dare. $35 million float, 92 million market cap. No news in this recently either. No news. Clinical stage biopharma, products, marketing, women's health. Also have a line here on this one back in July, right here to here. So connection of points, that big move up and here. So what you have here is this coming down, you know, based at 1, got the 125, big move up to 350, pullback. Look at the pullback, solid pullback. And again, look where you pull back on lower volume. Look at that 2 hammer candle right there, it held. Just trying to sideways move here. You're trying to get a cross on stochastics. So another one, you're seeing these patterns a lot because a lot of them bounce like this, then they pull back. So what you're seeing this is the next move up, which is going to be, you know, watch for this 250, 275 line. Because you look back here, going back, you know, it's a major line here. See that right here? So I'm watching for that 275 line on there. You know, no news on this. So some of these haven't had recent news. Yeah, so they're moving just on, you know, momentum traders back and forth. So any news would be very, very well on this, and it'll pop it. So watch that on there. ALNA. 26 million float, 93 million market cap. Alina Pharmaceuticals appoints Richard D. Katz, MD, Chief Financial Officer, February 2nd. Clinical stage bio, rare severe metabolic kidney disorders. All right, let's take a look at this one too. So this had the big drop from 650 when all the way down, bounced and went down again all the way to like 52 cents. Then it rose up. There's a line, came back, broke that like a triangle. I'm going to take this out now, this triangle, because you saw the squeeze here. Now, let's put it in perspective here. This one line's huge. Remember, in penny stocks, one line is the most important line. If you get over it, a lot of times you'll stay over it, at least until the market changes, maybe direction or something happens with the stock. All right, then we have here is the 3 line. Look at this. So back and forth. Yeah, this went below it a little bit. That's fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you bounce right up from them. You notice from these drops, like the bottom like goes out of it. They bounce back real hard there. So this went to 3. Pull back. The high was getting lower, lower. This is another one. It bounced up. And look what you have here after that big wick. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles down, and look where you touch again, the 1320 EMA. And look at this cross now. Oversold. I like this move down here. So you're winding up, trying to get up again. And on this one, I'm looking for the 2 line. Watch this 2 line. And then they have a big cross line coming from June, which would be this. They're saying right here, you got to get over because it's if connection of points in June and this now. So got to break that. It's looking like a trend line. So 2's real big here. And then just over 2, like 219. You see the trend now overall here, back and forth consolidation, trying to go up now. And I think we will test that 3 again eventually too. Maybe longer term. And on your stop here, right here, this 160 line. Because it did this, pull back, and there's 160. Trying to hold. So this is another one. Good. These have good potential. They need news, a lot of them. And then the market's moving north, which is always good. So, watch for news at this point on these stocks. And you can day trade them, you can swing trade them, whatever you do. I'm just pointing it out. And pointing out what to look for exactly. That's what these videos are for. I'm pointing out resistance points by trend lines, any market news, what to look for exactly. So we want to get in before all the people pile in, because people pile in at these points up here and then they're stuck. You don't want to do that. All right, please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Trade ideas, referral, my link. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And StockTwits, Mike Heyman Trades. That's it. Peace.